ready to change your project's name, here's how to rename it. So let's dive into Godot. So you're gonna wanna go to Project, Project Settings, and on the Application and Config, we have name here. So I'm gonna rename it from New Game Project to Godot. And now we can hit Close. And if we hit Project and quit to Project List, it should change name in the list. And here we have Godot. If I open it up again, the next place to change the name is when you export the game. And to export the game, you go to Project, Export, and you add a preset. I'm gonna add macOS. And when you hit Export Project, and this is the second place where you change the name, this name becomes the name for the file of the game. And by default, it will change to the project's name. So in this case, it matches the correct one, so Godot. And then you can hit save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.